Ang sublimation large format ng DT Dumaguete ay nagamit lamang po na 4 na araw na may 52 meters. Ito naman yung printer head area, capping, head clean, rasa ng wiper pagkatapos mag head clean, nozzle test, ink system tama lang po, ground wire, AVR, waste tank nilinis na po ito kahapon. Ito naman yung stock namin sa MYK, sabli roll paper, consumable monitoring, sabli paper, cyan, yellow, magenta, at saka black. Delay output record at ang ICC profile.